What's up, team? I'm Mr. Hayhurst.
And I'm Mr. Marikporia.
And in this Superdojo at-home tutorial,
we're gonna take our footwork to the next level.
And I'm gonna teach you how to give payback to the person that tried to punch you. Okay, team, now to get started, we have to learn what to do after you use your left hand to defend yourself against someone's punch. We're gonna use two of my favorite techniques, the cross punch and the hook punch. The three-hit combo, cross, hook, cross, is the perfect way to give some payback after you use your left hand to parry.
Remember all the footwork drills? Let's add all the punches we know. Here's 1 through 4 footwork with just jabs. Here's 1 through 4 footwork with just cross. Here's 1 through 4 footwork with just hook. Here's 1 through 4 footwork with just uppercut. All right, Superdojo athletes, we'll see you guys this week in our live classes.
Oh, that was a really good one. Nice one. Wait, are you guys even a part of Superdojo at Home? If you're not, check the link in description to sign up.